So as we have discussed in the previous video regarding associative property, and we have taken the three integers 8, 12 and minus 4, and I given the priority to the first to multiply 8 by 12, and after that whatever the result I got it, which is the 96, then I multiplied it by minus 4. I got the answer minus 384. Now what I will do, I will give the priority to these two numbers, that is 12 and minus 4. I will multiply first. So therefore I have to place them in the bracket. And first of all I will multiply 12 into minus 4, which comes out to be minus 48. Then I will multiply it by the number 8. Again I am getting the result minus 384. So in both the case we are getting the same product or the same result. So we can conclude that the product of three or more integers remain the same, irrespective of the order in which they are in multiplication is being carried out. That means the order again is not any very important. So we can, what you have to write it in your copy. First of all, we'll write associative property. Then we have to write it that multiplication is associative for integers. This much you have to write it. So, but in the case of division, as we know that integers do not obey the associative property, therefore the division is not associative for integers. Now we'll come to the next heading, distributive property or over addition and subtraction. You have to write it down in this heading in your classwork copy. Again, they have taken the three numbers, three integers, that is 10, minus 6 and 13. Multiply one of them by the sum of other two different ways, that is 10 multiplied by the sum of the other two numbers, that is minus 6 and 13. And on solving, since the bracket is given priority here, so minus 6 plus 13 comes out to be 7, and 10 into 7 comes out to be equals to 70. Now in the next step what they have done it, they have distributed the number 10 is outside the bracket. So what they have done it, the number 10 they have distributed to minus 6, the number 10 they have distributed to the number 13. So what will be getting the result? 10 multiplied by minus 6 plus sign, as we are having then between the bracket numbers a sign of plus, and 10 multiplied by 13. So which number is getting distributed here? The number 10 is getting distributed. On solving it comes out to be minus 60 and 130, and solving it further I got the result 70. So again the result is coming out to be same. So we can say that the distributive property is for the addition it holds.